Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a simple yet decorative lace which has beads in it, and this is titled Beaded Dash. In this we are working the beaded double crochet. To work the beaded double crochet, first we yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw loop through, slide bead along yarn to base of the hook, yarn over, draw yarn through 2 loops. Slide bead along to the base of the hook again, yarn over, draw yarn through remaining 2 loops. So this is how the DC gets completed, and these beads get worked onto the other side of the DC worked. Okay, so let's go into the video without any delay. Chain multiples of 2 stitches plus 1 plus 1 for the additional stitch on the base. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Taken 30 chains. Now place 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and in each chain all across I am going to work my single crochets in the back bump. Complete the single crochet row. I shall also complete and get back. Now you may chain 3 and turn. Chain 3 is considered as one beaded DC, or turn and place your very first DC in the very first stitch here. Now we are going to work the beaded DC. For that, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now bring the bead under the base of the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Again bring another bead in the base of the hook, yarn over, pull through. So the beaded double crochet is done. The beads appear on the other side of the work. Now place 1 double crochet in the next. So I shall demonstrate another beaded DC. For that, yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pick up a loop, pull through. Now bring the bead to the base of the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Again bring another bead, yarn over, pull through. So the beaded double crochet is done. So I shall complete the row and get back. You may also complete and get back. I have finished the beaded DC row. This is how it appears. Now it's time to chain 1 and turn. Now slip stitch into the front loop of each stitch all across. This is for the beaded dash, and if you want to have a beaded purse or any such thing, after every beaded DC row, make a single crochet row and continue the beaded stitch. You can stagger the beading effect too. So it's all in your way of working and in your imagination. You can create patterns too with the beads. So I shall finish the slip stitch row and get back to you. Thus we complete the beaded dash lace. So this stitch repeats can fetch you the projects that you desire, the size that you desire. You can make purses, tote bags, nice beaded bags. For this particular sample I have used my glass beads. Glass beads are a little heavy. You can use the plastic beads too. Acrylic beads are available. You can use them too. They will make your projects lighter. This is for the dash, so I use my glass beads. Thank you friends for viewing this video. Hope you enjoyed this small effort of ours. And if you happen to be the first time viewer, or if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so. Like and share our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye for now. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video.